As we begin Hasbar 7:4, the next piece of Gemara is going to be comparing the way we honor, fear our parents to honoring and fearing Hashem. And the way the Gemara does that is it compares psukim with the same words. The psukim of dealing with kavod avicha v'timecha and kabed es Hashem mehanech, to honor Hashem with our wealth, using the same words, kaved, tira'u, or tira, mekalel, ikalel. So let's take a look at our Gemara, and it's going to go through 6 different verses, and those are the lessons that we'll learn out about the mitzvos regarding the way we interact with our parents and the way we interact with Hashem, our Creator. It takes us again to Masechta Kedushin, Perek Rishon, Ha'isha Niknes, and Daf Lamed Amid Bet. On review, you'll have the number 60 in your corner on the top of the page. The Gemara begins 7 lines off the bottom. Tanu Rabbanan, our rabbis teach us. Nemar, it states, or it says in the Torah, Kaved et avicha v'timecha, to honor my mother, my father, and my mother. V'nemar, and it also says, this happens to be in Mishlei, Kaved et Hashem mehonech, I should honor Hashem with my money. And the Gemara, the Braita teaches, Hishva, it equates Hakasuv, the pasuk, Kaved of the aim, the verse dealing with honoring one's parents, L'chvod hamakom, to honoring hamakom, Hashem. And therefore, when I honor my parents, it's like I'm honoring God. Nemar, another verse is stated, Nemar, it is stated, Ish imo va'aviv tira'u, that one should fear his mother and father. V'nemar, and another verse says, As Hashem alakecha, Hashem your God, tira, you shall fear, va'oto ta'avod, and you shall serve him. Hishva, Hakasov, they equate the pasuk of Marat Ha'av V'Eim, the verse dealing with fearing and revering one's mother and father, Limarat Hamakom, to revering and fearing Hashem. That when one fears their parents, it's like they're fearing Hashem. Ne'emar, and we have another pasuk that says the following: Mikalel aviv v'imo mos yumas. If Mikalel, one curses his father or his mother, mos yumas, he shall surely be put to death. V'nemar, and we have another pasuk that says, Ish, any man, ki yikalel elakav, who will curse God, v'nosei chato, he shall bear the sin. Meaning you curse God, you'll be held accountable. Hishva kasav, they equate the pasuk of birchas aveim, the pasuk that deals with cursing one's father and mother. The word birchas means blessing. It's a euphemism. We don't want to say that we're actually cursing our parents, so we say birchas, blessing them, but we understand it means cursing them. We just want to use a nicer language. We can equate that pasuk of cursing one's father and mother, the birkas hamokom, to cursing, or birkas hamokom, of cursing God. Aval, however, bahaka, when it comes to hitting, vadai efshar, we can't make comparisons. And I guess the simple meaning is God is something that's not physical, and only something physical can hit. So hitting your parents also the Torah tells us that one has severe punishment for, but obviously one can hit God. Vadai efsher. It's not possible. Okay, so please do your Hasbar, and please summarize the three comparisons between Hashem and your parents. And